Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Gramification. I am Raj Swarup Mund. As so many of my students had asked me to have a video on converting affirmative sentences into negative one. So here I am today with new tricks and techniques to convert affirmative sentences into negative one. Do you remember that in my last video I had asked you one question, that whether Ram is a bad boy an affirmative sentence or a negative sentence? So let us watch this video till the end to get the answer of that question. As we all are aware that while converting the affirmative sentence into negative one, we are not supposed to change the meaning of it. First of all, let us see what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence is positive by nature. Affirmative sentence does not take any of the negation words like no, not, nothing, etc. Whereas negative sentence is negative by nature. Negative sentence always accompanied by the words like no, not, nothing, etc. So in this video we will see 4 important tricks to convert the affirmative sentences into negative one. So in this we will discuss one by one all the 4 tricks. Trick number 1. By using opposite words. For example, Ram is a bad boy. This is an affirmative sentence. And bad is a word and the opposite word for bad is good. So what will be our sentence? Ram is not a good boy. And if we will analyze both the sentences, then we can find out that the meaning remain unchanged. Like the same, let us see another example. The boy is active. What is the opposite of active? Passive or dull. So our answer will be the boy is not dull or the boy. Trick number 2. Degree of comparison. We all have studied 3 degrees in English. One is positive, next one is comparative, and the last one is superlative degree. Positive degree is having a positive quality. Comparative means comparing both the similar things like 1 versus 1, 2 versus 2, 11 versus 11 and so on. If there is differentiation, like in one team there are 5 players and another team 10 players, so it cannot be comparative degree. And the last one is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used for one versus many. In one side there may be one and the rest there will be so many. So this is called as superlative. While discussing the degree, we will go into the detail. Let us come back to our affirmative to negative conversion. If a sentence or if an affirmative sentence is having positive degree and we have to convert it into negative, so it will take not plus comparative. Let us take an example. Ram is as intelligent as Shyam. And if we are converting this affirmative into negative, it will become Shyam is not more intelligent than Ram. Comparative degree. Let's have an example. Birbal is smarter than Akbar. If we are changing this affirmative into negative, it will become Akbar is not so smart as Birbal. Next one is superlative degree. For example, Ram is the most intelligent boy in the class. In negative, it will become no other boy is as intelligent as Ram in class. Above are the examples of 3 degrees of comparison. Let's come to trick number 3. If affirmative sentence is having 2 to, then it will become so that. For example, Ram is too weak to sit for long hours. If we are converting it into negative, so it will become Ram is so weak that he cannot sit for long hours. Trick number 4. Double negative. In this type of conversion, we have to use not plus other negative words. For example, he solved the maths in time. So the negative word will be he did not fail to solve maths in time. The above 4 are important tricks by which we can convert the affirmative sentences into negative form. Besides that, we will see various examples by which we can convert affirmative into negative. So let us start it one by one. If only is used for person or God, in that case the negative sentence will take non but or not but. For example, only God can help us. In negative sentence it will become non but God can help us. If only is used for things, then the negative sentence will take nothing but. For example, I like only laptop. So the answer will become I like nothing but laptop. If we are using only for number in affirmative sentence, then in negative sentence it will become not more than or not less than. He has only 2 handsets in affirmative sentence will become he has not more than 2 handsets or he has not less than 2 handsets. If both and is there in affirmative sentence, then in negative sentence it will take not only but also. For example, both Ram and Shyam are good friends. In negative sentence it will become not only Ram but also Shyam are good friends. Dear friends, think about the case of universal truth. What will be the negative sentence if the affirmative sentence is in universal truth? For example, knowledge is power. So think about the answer, and in my next video I will answer this question along with the remaining words of converting affirmative sentences into negative one. This is all for today. In the next video we will meet with the remaining part of converting affirmative sentence into negative one. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.